Talk to me nice, talk to me honest.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So y'all, I'm about to deep clean my bathroom because it's looking a hot mess right now, and that is not okay. So right now I'm just taking everything off my sink and putting it back where it needs to go, and then I'm gonna spray everything down with this Clorox, disinfectant spray, and give my bathroom a good clean. So that's pretty much all I'm about to do. But before I get too far into this video, I wanted to introduce myself and just say hey, to everyone. My name is Angelica, and I create mainly like cleaning and organizing, videos. So if y'all are into that, type of content, I would love to have you to subscribe if you, haven't already. And for those that's, been around for a while and supporting my channel, I appreciate each and every, one of y'all. So that's all I wanted to say. So I'm about to go ahead and get right into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy it. So y'all, I'm still not done decorating my bathroom as far as like the color theme, that I was going for. So I do plan on doing a complete bathroom makeover once all that is complete. So make sure y'all stay tuned, for that video. And I'm super excited about that because this is my first time having a bathroom, to myself. The last place we lived in only had one bathroom, and now that we have two, I can be able to decorate it, how I like. So I'm definitely looking forward to that.
I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Like you could shape this up, you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart, I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no calls from me. I thought I could shake this off,
So y'all, I'm a little bit extra when it comes to cleaning this toilet. Once I'm done like fully wiping it down, I like to spray it down with my Lysol disinfectant spray just to make sure everything is fully clean and sanitized. Then I'll, wipe it dry with my paper towel. Let me know if y'all do that. I know some people may do, but that's just the way I like to clean mine. So y'all, this tissue holder that I'm, wiping down, I got it off of Facebook Marketplace. I forgot how much I paid for it. I think it was $5 or $10, but it wasn't that much. And I'm glad I got it because now I got a place to put all my tissue, and it holds a good amount. For the regular size rolls, it holds like 7. And the mega rolls, I have to turn them like sideways in order for them to, to fit. So the mega rolls holds like 4, and then the regular size rolls hold 7.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
So y'all, I'm just about done. Only thing left to do is mop. So I'm going to be using this Fabuloso antibacterial cleaner. It's in lavender scent. It smells really good. So that's what I'm going to be using to mop. Y'all, so after all that hard work, it's time to relax. So I decided to run me some bath water and take me a nice bath. So I'm going to be using this Dr. Teal's foaming bath. It has Epsom salt in it, cannabis, sativa, hemp seed oil, and I'm going to throw this bath bomb in with it, y'all. It smells so good. And this is my bath water. So I'm about to relax, light some candles, and call it, a night. So that's pretty much going to be it, for this video. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, comment, don't forget to, subscribe for more videos. So that's it for now. I thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in the next one.